Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pyniaid Syiem, has issued a strong warning of lodging formal complaints and filing an FIR against the landowner involved in unauthorized earth-cutting activities at Pillangkata in Ribhoi district. The Syem's warning comes in the wake of an inspection carried out on Thursday at the earth-cutting site in Pillangkata, prompted by multiple complaints. Following the inspection, Syiem addressed the media, stating that he personally visited the illegal earth-cutting site in response to reports of unauthorized activity by a certain individual.
Namar haka syukur sengi ong badi ben pensangnya lut chisundan hikam kelempat wan ban ajubat bat ben pensisai kikot selah bedi jinglok trai ka kendo. Te mentangi lawan hiar dalade masyukwa ben pentip pada kumno hapo si sengi hap ben penpoin lagi ya ka jubab nakal yang jo kini kibri bakam kini ka cakap ring ayo jingtip bakal don ka jingtho ka bapoi ka application sya Syiem meliam dang menin ka sengi ban pan jingbit te kata ka jingpan jingbit kan nya laga jong rei ya menta kini kibri ki bakam ya kini cakap kin hap ban jubab sya hapo arsengi sya ka council.